In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple maps, like roughness, normal, and height, onto a material in Dimension to create stunning, realistic textures for your objects. Let's dive right into it and get started. First off, go ahead and select the object you want to work with. Within Dimension's Scene panel, choose the specific object or the material you intend to apply these maps to. Now, once you've made your selection, move over to the Properties panel. Here, under the Materials section, you'll notice various channels available to you, such as roughness, normal, and potentially height if your version of Dimension supports it. Next, you'll need to apply a base material to your object. You have the option to use one of the standard starter materials like metal, plastic, or wood. Alternatively, if you have a custom PBR material that you prefer, you can drag that in as well. This base material provides the foundational characteristics for base color, metallic properties, and a default level of roughness. Now let's focus on the roughness map. In the roughness channel, click on the image swatch, or you might see a plus icon there. Import a black and white map or a grayscale texture. This particular map will determine the sheen of your object, with darker areas appearing shiny and lighter areas more matte. If your setup offers this capability, don't hesitate to tweak the roughness scale or related values to hone in the perfect finish for your object's surface. Moving on, add a normal map. Under the normal channel, you'll import an RGB map, commonly known as a normal map, which creates the illusion of surface bumps. Don't forget, within Properties, you have the flexibility to adjust the normal scale, thus modifying the intensity of the bump effect. Keep in mind that the roughness and normal maps will operate separately, but will combine visually on your object's surface, resulting in a more detailed texture. Now, for those of you whose Dimension version supports it, you might want to add a height or displacement map. In the height channel, import a grayscale height map and adjust the height scale to control how the displacement modifies your object's surface. Do note that not all versions expose this feature in the UI, so double-check compatibility or consider using external tools if needed. With all these maps, roughness, normal, and possibly height, layered over your base material, you'll see a transformation in how your object's surface looks and behaves. The roughness map adjusts glossiness. The normal map alters how light interacts with the surface, and if included, the height map manipulates the physical texture. For each map or image, use the transform controls in the Properties panel to modify scale, rotation, or offset. This ensures that your texture size matches perfectly, or aligns any patterns to your liking. Finally, switch to Preview or Render mode within Dimension to see how these maps are interacting with lighting. You can toggle the maps on and off to discern their individual contributions. Should you encounter any visual discrepancies like strange bumps or unusual roughness, revisit the UVs or adjust map scales for a refined output. And there you have it. These steps will equip you with the ability to create visually compelling materials in Dimension with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.